One day before the party. Watch out, man.
Yeah.
One day before party, you know. Fish still scaling.
Yeah.
Watch my friend. Good morning.
Good morning.
Big up yourself. Watch ya. When you say fresh out of pan.
Yeah. Still alive.
Still alive.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
See that people? Yeah, man, that go on pan water go on. Watch out, man.
There.
Watch out, man. Fish are swimming in a pot right here, so it look good in a color.
True,
see scale there?
Yeah.
One color.
Yeah, man,
you see me? Yeah, man, you go see him on the party, so him there catch up the fish them and thing out there.
Nice,
pan and scale them, you know?
Yeah, man.
Nice them up and thing. Me say fish them live people, no look. Me not tell no lie. Me see one when they swim go on the bottom a while I go see. I posted that one there. Yeah, man, see that them a swim. Yeah. Them pretty up.
Yeah, true, man. They nice, man.
They look good. We can't wait to eat for me.
That's
6
true,
out
man.
of that.
We say 6?
Yeah. How much you want?
Boy, about 3.
A 3 you want 6.
Because I don't like fish, you know. Too much bone.
I want 3 steam.
Yeah.
I want 3 for fry.
And it's true, I crave me now on time I serve.
Yeah.
We just want mash up.
Yeah, that's a mash up, so you're not bother with the whole eat then.
I want go.
You have to go get somebody for debone the fish for you.
And give me the feed.
And then probably you can eat 6 of them.
Or more.
Or more.
Yeah, man, I don't have time for you surfing on bone, man.
Yeah, people like that.
Yeah, cool.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
Up on the road, me I go and come back still.
Aye.
So in a little more.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Alright, people, that. Color, go and scale up the fish them. Yeah, man. The place still a set up. Because you don't know the day is tomorrow. If you watch the video come this far, drop a blue heart in the comment section. Yeah, so we are get the cake them. Right here, so we are get the cakes. You're gonna put them in a chunk. See bakery right here, so guys. That's the bakery. So surprise! 201. Watch on, man. Team Talk Up TV 1 outside. Watch the TV, you know. That man I eat my. That man that go on. So we ready for the party seat there. We never are capping up people seat there. See next one here. Happy birthday, Lato, Fallon, and Brittany. Wow. Money cake we are talking about. We're not talking about a little bit of money. We are talking about lots of thousands of dollars. You see what I say? For real people now capping, we still there bakery. We go buy the ice cream a while ago. So we did stop and pay for the cake and so forth. So we're on the way coming back, so we stop and pick up the cake them. Them big bad. I don't know which fridge them are go on. Honestly, because them big and broad. I have my receipt here. No capping. Come receipt. My receipt there. My receipt there. Only for thousands of dollars. Oh, the cake them big. We have to bring them out in a one trolley. Understand? Carrying back the people them trolley only.
What's it?
So I want to carry the people them trolley. Don't be already. Alright, so Nika bring back the trolley go in there, so in there so we get the beautiful cake. Them excited because we have a cake now, so we know say the party is active. Ice cream round our back. The ice cream in our trunk, me put it. I buy a nice flavor pistachio. So me there right, that's how we cake them round there. So if we all them big, you know, so I want to take one seat for itself, and the next one take off the back seat round this. So yeah, the next one take off the back seat for itself round this, so because the cake them big. So we are going to leave from the bakery now. We're going straight home because we don't want the ice cream melt out. We don't want the cake get too hot. So then see bakery they feel last time, people. That's the #1 bakery where you get a like nice clean good cake. Them a big one them we are talking about. Don't squaddy.
Right, man.
Yeah.
One of them brother than Johnny cake, you know?
Yeah. Chocolate and vanilla. Watch him. Watch him. So that. So no come in, come out in all the numbers tomorrow. Sharp as daylight no forward. You understand? Big up to his chef, big up to his scaler. Big up to his scaler, Fabian, big up yourself a scale fish them, you understand, you know what I mean? Yeah, big up yourself. So we're on the highway are going home. So we have fish, we have pork, we have chicken, again we have soup on the house. Couple different meat, did it? Yeah, couple different meat, did it? So we have food on the house, liquor on the house. Liquor in our bar for sell, same way. Drinks in our bar for sell. So vice versa. What you not eat, you say you buy there, so. You see me? What you not get to drink, you say you buy over there, so. You understand? So no come and support. They are long ago. Reach up now, I got any vlog right here. So, and guess what? If we are cake them big, we not even know if you have no fridge to put the cake them in there because the cake them too big. After they are going roll up something because rain fall and things in our place.
Yeah, I'm not going out for going to the market now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to get the rest of fish them deal with. You see me? I say them season up in our freezer. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything good.
Yeah, so I cake them in our bus because I can see place rain in a fall. So see talk up TV one right there. So that's the team cake, and then this one happy birthday Lotto Fallon and Brittany. Yeah man, so that. Right there, so alright, thanks for watching. See you the next time. I'll press like it. Press it on man. Peace out.